Hello everyone, welcome back to Big City Crypto Community. So as you know, yesterday I share a review about Rich Rabbit. So today we also talk about this project. In second part, why I share a second review about this project, because this project listed on Bitget yesterday, and this project making a big hype in cryptocurrency history. So that's why I share a second review about this project. So first of all, I start the reviews. Subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon for upcoming updates and videos. This link provided in video description, you can check out. First of all, what is this project? Mission we earn to the blossom us the permanent community of the classical authenticate in the vast expanse of the crypto. In the cosmic dance with JDI, one map iridium in the spare web to the ethical theaters of blockchain technology into the space. So this is best gem in 2024. So don't miss. And you can see the Dapin gaming and moon phone. So scroll down. This is a learner surface secured checking vital sign and equipment status, and this is a team members. Now you see the second details of this project. How to use Rabbit. Use Rabbit. We are meme but dream big. Rabbit election. Election means this project based token foundation 33%, invest airdrop also 33%, and mining is the 34%. Get Rabbit. How to buy. This is a purchase process. Simply open Radium and now you will be get Rabbit easily. Open Radium immediately. The code of the Rabbit is this is code of Rabbit. You will be easily get the Rabbit. Simply click on purchase process. After clicking the purchase process, the PDF will be open. You need to download it. After click on the open option, the PDF will be successfully open. I also show you live demo of buying. First of all, see the process. Purchase the Rabbit process. Open the website. First of all, open Radium.io swap input currency. Go to the home website web page as shown in the image below. Step 1, click tick option. After click agree and continue. Step 3, click connect wallet link to your wallet as shown in the image below. I already tell my first video and I also tell you in second video because some user not understand it, so I tell again you. So step 5, enter the Rabbit contract address. This is Rabbit contract address. Simply copy it and simply scroll down. After click on Rabbit as show in image. You can see the Rabbit is showing. After completing the above steps, the result look like image below. Enter the quantity of Rabbit you want to purchase or amount of soul. If you want to buy a soul, means a Rabbit with soul. How much you want to buy Rabbit? Simply enter your quantity and they will be show you quantity in SOL. You will be buy clicking on the swap button as show in image. Click on this swap button and then wallet confirmation. Click confirm button. After purchase completed as show in the image and our purchase process is ended. So very easy method. Now I will show you some demo. Simply scroll up. Go to website. After going website, this interface was open. So first of all, connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet. After connecting wallet, your wallet will be connected, and from which you click on search your currency, which currency you want to buy. Simply from SOL soul, and then enter to this address and simply paste the Rabbit contract address. Your Rabbit will be successfully selected, and simply on the swap option wallet confirmation, your token will be successfully added to your wallet. So very easy method. Now guys, I tell some more details about this project. So you know, first video I tell every one thing. This project listed on Bitget yesterday, and everything is down now. Bitget I show you. You can see this. I also provide this bitget.sport article video in my description. Bitget to list Rich Rabbit in native zone and meme zone. Simply I refresh it. After refreshing, trading available 10th January. Sport trading link. I click on sport trading. So guys, this is jam of 2024. Don't miss it. I tell again and again, don't miss this project. Don't miss this project. Invitation zone. This is invitation zone. Deposit available now, and you can check out the Rabbit. The price is showing. They are listed. Let's see, Rabbit USDT is $0.04. This project make very big hype in cryptocurrency. Yesterday listed on now price is $0.04. So 24-hour low, 24-hour high. You can full check the full chart about this project. So let's see 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. You can check out the 1 day This project listed as 0.04. If you buy this project is now very low price. If you buy, hold sometime, this project will be give you big profit, not small, very big profit. This project will be provided you 24 quantity of 6.6 million, 24 total USD 316.222k. It's very big USDT amount in the cryptocurrency history. And you can also see the full chart of this project provided. And let's see, this is sport trading. You can search your sport trading, click on trade now, you can select the rabbit. After now we will go to Rich Rabbit Twitter page. This is a Rich Rabbit meme, but not just a meme. Hello Rabbit for business. This is a Rabbit DAO XYZ website. Joined in March 2014. Followers 114.8k and 116k following post. You can I open with this post. I click on this post. This is official Bitget account. See the new listing. Bitget will list Rabbit USDT on 10th January 11 UTC deposit. Now grab a share of 1.8 million Rabbit from the launch pool. A total $100 giveaway for 10 people. Tag 3 people's listing campaign. You can check out the full comments, retweets, everything was showing. Now we will go to back Twitter. You can see this Twitter page also showing. So let's back to the website. So guys, this is the full review of this project. I tell how to buy, everything I tell about this project. Now understand some details. So guys, Rich Rabbit, you know, it's 2020 best project, but do your own research first, then you make investment in this project. If you invest $100, $200, it's not a big amount. But if you invested $1,000, like $2,000 before watching my video, so if you lose, it's not my responsibility. First of all, do your own research before investing. This project is big hype in cryptocurrency history, and this project will be give good profit. And one more thing, don't miss this project. Dappin gaming phone, everything about this project and the gaming, everything will be coming soon in the future. So get Rabbit, purchase. And one more thing, this project listing on the big exchange in the future. I tell you how. Means Coinbase. What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a big exchange on cryptocurrency. Coinbase coming soon. Binance is very popular, coming soon. Kraken Pro is also a very popular exchange. KuCoin, Bybit, and HTX, formerly Huobi, Bitfinex, Get.io, and many more. This project listing on very big exchanges, so I hope this project make big hype in cryptocurrency history. So Twitter and Telegram also provided. I click on Telegram. You can also join this project community, and don't miss this project. Buy it. I always tell you, good projects.